OWSI Flooring and Design started in 1996 with a mission to bring beautiful, high-quality stone to Utah homes. What began with a focus on travertine stone has grown into something much bigger, thanks to our amazing clients and team. Today, OWSI is one of Utah's top distributors for flooring and home design. We offer a full range of flooring, tile, countertops, and design solutions under one roof, backed by decades of expertise. As a family-owned business, we take pride in building lasting relationships and treating every project like it's our own home. Step into our showroom and explore endless inspiration. Whether you're updating one room or designing an entire home, you'll find the materials, style, and support you need. We offer everything from natural stone, hardwood, LVP, and tile to full design consultations, material sourcing, and professional installations. We're with you every step of the way. Our passionate team of designers, project coordinators, and flooring specialists is here to make your experience smooth, personal, and stress-free.